Let's make some chili cheese curds. Super simple recipe. Well, we've got a deep fryer over here. We are preheating it to 375 degrees. In our bowl here, we're going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/2 a package of chili seasoning mix. If you want, I guess, more of a robust flavor, you could add the entire packet, but it's really not necessary. Just going to kind of whisk those dry ingredients together. Now to that, we're going to add 1/4 a cup of milk, 1 cup of club soda. I'm going to pour over here to the side so I don't pour too much into our mixture there. Two large eggs. And we're just going to mix this up. Alright, we've got that all mixed up. I'm going to set that off to the side there. We've got some white cheese curds. In a small container here, we're going to have some flour. We want to make sure we coat our cheese curds in that flour. It's going to help the liquid on the other one to stick to it. And once we get them fully coated, we're going to drop them in our liquid batter. I'm just going to, now this is going to be a messy process, so we're going to use our hands a lot. I'm going to save a little bit of time here. I'm just going to do all of them that we have. And you're going to do about, you can do, with this recipe, you can do about a pound and a half of cheese curds. There's just 2 of us, so we're going to do about 6 to 8 ounces. These will only take about 30 seconds, maybe a minute to deep fry. Just going to get my hands in there. Let's get it messy. Alright. I like to have the basket at the very bottom, so that way they don't stick as badly to your, if you put these directly on your basket, they're going to stick to the bottom. This will help them, less of them to stick to the bottom by slowly dropping them in one by one.
Are you counting them?
I am. I think I'm at 12. Just going to stir those around just a bit. And like I said, it doesn't take very long. 30 seconds, minute. Got that nice golden brown. We're going to place it on some paper towels over here and serve it with some ranch dressing. But anyway, super simple recipe. We're going to finish ours off and eat these real quick.